Hi everyone, welcome to this session. And in this session we are solving a question. This is a new series. I am solving past mock problems for quantitative abilities. Soon we will start a VARC session also. This is an interesting question. This question basically talks about algebra. Okay, and how algebra can become a little difficult also. This question is not very easy. Obviously this is taken from one of the past time test papers. So the question says the sum of the squares of 5 consecutive natural numbers is 5790. Find the sum of the numbers. Okay, first up, if this question is easy for you, then your preparation is on the right track. And if you have no clues about this question, then I'm sorry to tell you, but maybe you are going somewhere wrong. So you need to really brush up things, and that too quite fast. Now the thing is, anybody who is not able to solve this question will definitely do something like this. So whenever we talk about 5 consecutive numbers, this is something that comes into my mind. So a plus d, and then I'll just do this, a minus d. Similarly, I'll do a plus 2d and a minus 2d. So this is fine. I mean, there is nothing wrong in this thing. The only problem is that the moment you square these, because remember the question is asking about the square. They have given you some values which equates to the square of these consecutive numbers. The problem that you will arrive is, so this will give me a 4d square, this will give me a d square, this will give me a d square, this will give me a 4d square. So 4, 5, 6, 10. So 10d square plus there are 5a. So 5a square plus 10d square is equal to 5790. Now the problem with this thing is, I have two variables a and d, and that too they are in the squared terms. So if you are able to think so much, that's fine. I mean, tab gaadi sahi chal rahi hai, sahi direction mein hi aap ho. The only thing is that I have to take 5 consecutive numbers. So instead of a plus d, instead of forming a AP type of a thing, I'll just take one number. So I'll just take a, and I will add a plus 1, I will add a minus 1. So this is just going one, so one digit ahead of it, one digit behind it. Okay, so a plus 1, a minus 1, a plus 2, a minus 2. What happens when you square these numbers? A similar situation happens. So this will be 5a square plus 10. So see, quite comfortably this time around I'm just getting, okay, I am not going to do a square minus plus 4 minus 2a, and then I will cancel all that thing. Okay, this is problem solving, this is not concept learning. So I hope you can pause the video and do that on your own. I'm just giving you the idea how to solve this equation. This is equal to 5790, which in turn is equal to 5a square is equal to 5780. I hope that is visible to you, 5780. And this gives me a is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 1, 5, 2, 8, right? So 5s are 25, 8, 3, 0, 6, 1156. Okay, now this is a square, I mind you. So a will be square root of 1156. Now the moment you calculate square root of this thing, I don't know how you will calculate. I will calculate it a little different. Okay, so I think you guys should also know this. So 3 3s are 9. So this is 256, 3 3 6 6 and 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16, 24, 25. Yeah, so 34 will satisfy. 256. You don't even need to do all of this, you just need to do this in your mind. Okay, this division method, if you are unsure of this division method, how I actually came out for this thing, So you can just pin down it on comment, or rather comment it down. I'll pin that up and I'll tell you how I did this. Okay, so the value of a comes out to be 34. Okay, but hold on, the answer is not 34. The answer is the sum of these numbers. So 34 plus 1, 34 minus 1. So in a way, if you realize, when you add plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out each other, plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel out each other. So effectively you will be left with 34 plus 34 plus dot 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 5 times. Okay, in other words, 34 times 5, okay, which is as good as 150 plus 20, that is 170. So this is your answer. So if you want to verify, if you need to verify, let's verify this also. 170 is the answer. I hope this video made sense. Okay, this is the first. Thank you.